No Igbo man should be fully happy. Let me not generalize it. Let me not say Nigeria. If you know you are an Igbo, man or woman or, you are not supposed to be happy. You're not supposed to be enjoying. You're not supposed to be smiling. Our father, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is there in prison. A 58-year-old man, if I'm not mistaken, that should be spending time with his family, that should be spending the remaining years he has with his family, creating memories, is in that war, that prison. If they leave you at home, lock you, can you stay? That man has been there since 20th November 2025. What is his crime? Nothing. The only crime he committed is wanting peace for Igbo people. That's the only crime he committed. The only voice we have, we are folding our hands and is silenced, and we are doing nothing. We are happy, living our life like it's a normal thing when nothing is normal. I'm not calling for protest, but we should do something. He did nothing wrong, and he's there, suffering. I'm saying this from a place of pain. We should be Igbos, we should be living our life every day guilty. Because if actually he made that change, we are the one that's going to enjoy it. We are the ones to enjoy it. But he's there, suffering.
Our child truly be at peace when Nnamdi Kanu remains in this situation? Sometimes I ask myself, how are we supposed to smile and move on like everything is normal? How do we celebrate, laugh, and live freely when a man who gave up his own freedom for his people is still going through this pain? He is not just a name in the news. He is a human being. He has a family. He has a wife who misses her husband. He has children who long to see their father. He had every reason to stay back and enjoy the comfort of his home, to live quietly with the people he loves, but he chose a different path. He abandoned personal comfort in pursuit of what he believed was freedom for his people. That kind of sacrifice is not ordinary. When I think about it, it hurts deeply. A man left behind the warmth of his home, the embrace of his wife, and the laughter of his children because he believed that the future of his people was worth fighting for. He carried a burden that many would never dare to carry. So when people act as if all is well, I cannot help but feel troubled inside. His pain should remind us of the weight of sacrifice, of the cost of conviction, and of what it means for one person to put the needs of his people above his own life. This is why the issue touches the heart so deeply, because behind the struggle is a father, a husband, and a man who made painful choices for a cause greater than himself. Stay tuned.